Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are given 4 raised to power x times 4 raised to power x is equal to 40. Find x. Four raised to power x times 4 raised to power x, we are going to rewrite that as 4 raised to power x raised to power 2 and then equal to 40. By indices, we can open up this bracket by simply multiplying these powers, giving us 4 raised to power 2x is equal to 40. Now let us take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. We're going to have log 4 raised to power 2x is equal to log 40. By logarithm, this part is of the form log a raised to power m, which we can write as m log a. Therefore, the equation becomes 2x log 4 is equal to log 40. I'm going to divide both sides by log 4. And we see that this cancels this, leaving us with 2x is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. Then 2x is going to be equal to 40 here I can rewrite as log 8 times 5, then divided by log 4. I can separate this product using this law of logarithm. Log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Giving us 2x is equal to log 8 plus log 5, then all divided by log 4. Let us separate this addition, the addition and division into separate division. So we have 2x is equal to log 8 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4, giving us 2x is equal to, I'll rewrite log 8 as log 2 raised to power 3, then divided by log 4 is same thing as log 2 raised to power 2, then plus, this is log 5, then divided by log 2 raised to power 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to, this will be 3 log 2 divided by, this will be 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by, this will be 2 log 2. Log 2 here will cancel log 2 here. So 2x becomes 3 over 2. Then I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 2. Then log 5 divided by log 2. Before I go on and divide both sides by 2, let us change this expression using this law of logarithm. Log A over log B will give us log A base B. So we can rewrite 2x as 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So that will be all of this times 1 over 2. And if I go ahead and open up that bracket, this cancels this. So I have x is equal to 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 3 over 4. Then plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 4 log 5 base 2, which is our final answer to this problem. So we got x is equal to all of this. Let us now check that x is correct by substituting it into the original equation. 4 raised to power x times 4 raised to power x is equal to 40. Therefore, since this is 4 raised to power x raised to power 2, then I'm going to have 4 raised to power x was 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. Remember there's a square here, so I'm going to say all of this raised to power 2. If I multiply this power by all of this will give me 4 raised to power 3 over 4 times 2. This will become 2, so I have 3 over 2. Then plus 1 over 4 times 2, that will give me 1 over 2. Log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. Now we can separate these powers using this law of this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So this becomes 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2, and this should give us 40. Here, this is the same thing as saying square root of 4, then raised to power 3. This is also square root of 4, then raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 raised to power 3. And then here we have 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. 2 raised to power 3 here is 8. So we have times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. By logarithm, this expression is of the form a raised to power log m base a, and this will give us m. So this becomes 8 times this becomes 5, and this should give us 40. And 8 times 5 is definitely 40. So our left hand side balances the right hand side, confirming that our solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye.